Rudy Ridolfi, former U.S. military space system commander, laid out 3 horrific scenarios that may unfold should NASA proceed with Starliner's return to Earth. Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore have been stranded in space for more than 2 months now. The NASA astronauts docked at the International Space Station, ISS, on June 5 as part of Boeing Starliner's inaugural test. Their stay was initially due for just 8 days. But the capsule experienced an unexpected fault with its thrusters, forcing it to remain docked indefinitely. Amid the growing tensions about their return to Earth, an expert has revealed 3 horrific scenarios that could happen should they proceed with the faulty Starliner.
And next we go in space, where astronauts remain grounded. Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore were supposed to be back on Earth months ago, but a thruster failure in Boeing's Starliner has left them stranded in orbit. A former U.S. space commander has now laid out 3 horrific scenarios that may unfold should Williams and Wilmore embark on their journey back to Earth in a faulty spacecraft.
NASA astronauts stranded in space could be vaporized if they return to Earth on a Boeing Starliner. The U.S. Space Agency is debating whether to continue with Boeing Starliner's return to Earth mission or launch the SpaceX rescue mission. Rudy Ridolfi, former U.S. military space system commander, has laid out 3 horrific scenarios that may unfold should Williams and Wilmore embark on their journey back to Earth in the faulty spacecraft. In a recent interview with Daily Mail, Ridolfi explained that for the Boeing Starliner to re-enter Earth safely, its service module must put the capsule at an angled altitude. So long as the capsule is lined up correctly for re-entry, everything's fine, Ridolfi told the outlet, adding, if the capsule is not lined up, they either burn up or bounce back into space. If the Starliner service module places the capsule in too steep of a re-entry window, then the capsule ablative heat shield would probably fail. Scenario 1 would involve the Boeing Starliner being stuck in space with failed thrusters and a 96-hour oxygen supply. This scenario is likely to occur if the spacecraft attempts to re-enter Earth at the wrong angle, causing the capsule to bounce off the atmosphere. Secondly, the spacecraft could bounce off the Earth's atmosphere should its service module fail to line up for re-entry. Lastly, the worst-case scenario would be the astronauts being vaporized to death in space. Ridolfi noted that the horrific incident could take place if the angle is too steep, leading to an increase in friction and chances of the Starliner burning.